Hi, this is Zach from Zach's Traders Cafe with a look at the major markets on Wednesday, the 17th of August. Starting off with the FTSE 100 and a little bit more of a rising wedge possible here now after yesterday's or the weakness of the last couple of sessions. Really need to break that 7,000 level. That's currently regarded as a resistance. Support at the 10-day moving average at 68.36, so we'll see whether that holds. But only back below the 20-day moving average at 67.74 would really suggest that a near term is in place here for leading UK shares. Onto the DAX and a bit of a sideways consolidation here as well, coming back towards the 10-day moving average at 10,541. But at least while we're above that, we're still on for that 11,000 target at the top of a rising June trend channel. For the US markets, they have obviously been the driver in the near term, but gone rather flat here as far as the Dow is concerned. Support towards the 10 and 20-day moving averages in the near term, 18,500. Nominally the 20-day line area, slightly rising wedge formation there, but at least while we're above the 18,500 zone, we are looking towards a 19,000 target there for the Dow. Onto the S&P, and here slowing down, but still well above even the floor, this uptrend line from the end of June. That's running at around 2170 at the moment. And while there's no end of day close back below that, the upside here could still be towards 22 or 2200, 2220 over the next couple of weeks. Interesting that we've got this rather flattening RSI profile, so one should watch out probably for neckline support at 2150 being broken as a possible reversal or sell signal later in the month. So 2220 while we're above 2150 at this stage. Onto the Nasdaq, and this has been a stock which has really gapped up over the last couple of months, but slowing down a little bit as far as the price action is concerned. Probable 4740 support here just below the floor of this rising trend channel from the end of June. RSI slowing down as well, but while we're above that 20-day line, a target towards 4,900 plus is still possible for leading US technology stocks. Good rebound for sterling yesterday against the dollar. The inflation, the spectre of inflation came back to the market, and could be that we've hit and found support at a falling trend line from June, which would render that initial July dip towards or below $1.28 as an aberration. I've got the situation here with the with cable heading back towards the 20-day moving average at 131.06. Above that would take us back to 133, the top of that late June channel. For the euro, it's I suppose still a strong picture. Above 112, one can regard this cross as being strong. That 112.33 initial August peak, and while we find support there, there's a chance of 114, then as high as 116 over the next 2 to 4 weeks. Dollar yen probed below the 100 yen level yesterday, and then magically, almost as quickly came back above it. I wonder if that was all natural as far as the price action in the market was concerned. We got resistance here towards the 10-day moving average at 101.40. That would be the area to sell into strength up to if you are a bear of this cross. But an end of day close above that would take us or open up the possibility of a 50-day moving average target at 103.56. This stage probably, given the rebound that we saw yesterday, any prices under 100 yen look like they should be bought into. Finishing off with gold, and here the picture still in this consolidation. Need to break really the 1355 level, this red July resistance line, and hold above the 50-day moving average at 1325. That looks as though it will hold in the near term, especially with the double bounce for the RSI at the neutral 50 level. Above 1355, we open up 1400 or even 1450 over the following 1 to 2 months. That's it from me. More updates at the same time tomorrow.